In this video, we are going to show you how to extract text from images using Snipping Tool on Windows. So, before we get started, ensure that the Snipping Tool is up to date on your Windows PC. For this, open Microsoft Store and search for Snipping Tool from the search bar. Click on the app icon. Update the app if any is available. Once done, open the app. Now, open the image that you want to extract the text from inside the app. Click on the Text Actions button, and it will begin analyzing the image. After that, you'll see two options: Copy All Text and Quick Redact. Hit the Copy All Text option to copy all the highlighted text in the image. Or you can manually select and copy the text yourself. Now that you have copied text, paste the text in a word processor app like Notepad, Word, or Google Docs. You'll see the text correctly without misplacing any characters. That is it. Simple but effective. For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos, handpicked just for you.